You currently have three options to choose from when selecting your database details. The first one is to use your existing database details. If your destination server already has a WordPress installation, you can tick this box to pick up those database details for your migration. The second option is this checkbox here, and this allows you to exclude your database when migrating so that you only migrate your WordPress files. And then the last option is to manually enter your database details. As you can see, database name, username and password are required. Your host is optional. It will default to localhost. And then once those details are filled out, you can proceed with your migration.